If you want to grow fast on TikTok, getting more views is the key. The more views your videos get, the more chances you have to go viral and gain followers. I end this video. I'll show you how to get more views on TikTok fast using updated methods for 2026. First, focus on your hook. The first 2 to 3 seconds of your video are the most important. You need to grab attention immediately, whether it's with a question, a surprising moment, or something visually interesting. If people don't stop scrolling, your video won't perform well. Second, keep your videos short and engaging. Even though TikTok allows longer videos, shorter content often performs better because people are more likely to watch it until the end. And watch time is one of the most important factors for getting more views. Third, use trending sounds and formats. Check what's popular on TikTok and adapt it to your content style. You don't need to copy, just follow the trend and make it your own. Another important tip is to post consistently. Try to upload at least once a day or several times a week. The more you post, the more chances you have to reach new audiences. You should also use relevant hashtags, not just popular ones. Mix trending hashtags with niche-specific ones so TikTok knows who to show your video to. Also, focus on retention. Try to make people watch your video until the end, or even better, watch it more than once. You can do this by creating curiosity or looping your content. Finally, engage with your audience. Reply to comments, interact with viewers, and encourage people to comment or share your video. This helps boost your reach even more. In summary, to get more views on TikTok fast in 2026, focus on strong hooks, short videos, trends, consistency, and engagement, and that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more TikTok growth tips.